guys, Stephanie here again today. Today we're doing another hike. It's the Wiliwilinui Ridge Trail hike. It's a 4.7 mile hike out and back trail. It's in the Aina area on Oahu, and I'm with my friends today. Say hi, guys. We're gonna take it on. Should be a good one. It's kind of cloudy, so we might get some refreshing rain, so we'll see. Come along with us, let's go. Alright guys, we're about 2/3 of the way in. How you guys feeling?
Good.
Look at that view. That's the ocean over there. And you can see the city. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's over there. To the top. Alright guys, that was the hike. We just made it to the top, so now we have to go all the way back down, but it's the same thing. So it took us about an hour. It was honestly pretty moderate the whole time, and then like the last third of it was really uphill. So it was more of a leg day right at the very end, but now we're gonna be going down. Guys, what did you think, Ida?
It was good. It was really nice. Have lots of water, have some good friends.
Definitely. Carly?
Great views all around.
Literally all around.
It was a good hike though, nice workout. So.
Yeah. So that is the Wiliwilinui hike, you guys. You can find that in Aina. Thank you for watching. Give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And we'll see you guys in the next video.